By the way, there's news from Johns Hopkins tonight that the American daily death toll from coronavirus has once again hit more than 1,000 Americans dead in 24 hours. It's the first time we've hit the 1,000 people dead in one day threshold in a couple of months. But we are back to that now. And of course, the president today saying on that occasion, on that same day, I think we've started it up very successfully. The virus will disappear. It'll disappear, he says today. Last night, we talked here on the show to the top elected official in Hidalgo County, Texas, about how every hospital in his county is full, and they have been all month, how they have overtopped their morgue capacity and are asking for funeral directors from other parts of the country to please come help them process the dead. They're bringing in refrigerated trucks to store them until they can figure out what to do with the corpses. How they have begged for a field hospital to be set up somewhere in Hidalgo County to supplement the hospital facilities they've got, but the state of Texas turned them down for that. They're facing a doubling of their hospitalization numbers over the next 2 weeks with their hospitals already full. Tonight at midnight, that same county executive we spoke to last night is going to try to implement this new local order telling people in Hidalgo County, Texas, that they must shelter in place, they must stay at home. Well, the Republican governor of Texas says that's not enforceable and he'll block it. And we're seeing that in lots of places where Republicans are in control. Tonight in Iowa City, Iowa, the mayor there is, as of tonight, trying to institute a wear a mask ordinance for Iowa City. The Republican governor of Iowa, Kim Reynolds, says that's not enforceable and she'll block it. Tonight in Atlanta, Georgia, the legal battle continues over the city of Atlanta trying to institute a wear a mask ordinance. The Republican governor of Georgia, Brian Kemp, says that ordinance is not enforceable and he's suing the city of Atlanta to block it. We are 6 months in. We are back up to 1,000 deaths a day as of today. The president is still leading his party and saying, we're starting everything back up. All those mitigation measures we had, those were in the past. We're starting everything back up, he says, very successfully. This thing's just going to disappear. And the governors are now elaborating on that. Don't you dare try to stop the spread. I'll block you because this thing's going to disappear. We're opening back up. 6 months in, 141,000 dead and counting. They are still doing this. Today marks 15 weeks until the November election.